Hello guys, today I'm just going to be showing you how to make a Bukkit server, pretty fast way. Just open up your web browser, link for this will be in the description. There's three main computers, Windows, Linux and Mac, that you can do it on. This one's for Windows, as you probably guessed. What you want to do is download Craft Bukkit's latest build, just click on that, keep. And then just wait for that to download. Now just make this small and like drag it to the side or something. And then when it's done, just drag it to your desktop. And you should have that there. Now what you want to do next is just just open up Notepad. Now in Notepad, or on here, you just want to, or if you want running on Java 6, which you probably are, you'd know if you're running on Java 7, but I'm running on Java 6. So you just want to highlight all that, copy, and paste. Now, as it says here, if you've got like an up-to-date computer, it'll probably be a 64-bit machine, but if you don't use 64-bit, then you're running on 32-bit. Then what you want to do, if you're not, don't worry, just skip the step. But here it says program files. What you want to do is do in brackets times 86. Right, now there's one other thing. Right, if you just scroll along to the end, you'll see it says yada 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 jar craftbukkit.jar. It will say some other stuff like 1.1 R3 or whatever, but what you want to do is just highlight that and just get rid of it so it just says that. Oh crap. You want to make it so it only says that. Ah, damn it. Right, make it so it just says, the fuck's up with that? Just make it so it just says that last bit there. Nothing else. Just craftbukkit.jar obviously. Now, once you've done that, just want to file, save. Now you want to save it as, you can save it as whatever you want. I call it run.bat, that's important. And then save as all files. Desktop, user, desktop. And then just save onto your desktop. Now, once you've done that, you want to go onto your desktop, create a new folder, and just call it Bukkit server or whatever you want to do, whatever you want to call it. Now, in this, you want to drag your Craft Bukkit and your run into there. Now, just double click on the run folder. Yeah, alright, I've already got one, so that's probably why it's not letting me. But basically, you just double click on this run folder here, and then it will create a ton of stuff in this folder, and it's going to look something like that. I've got a lot more worlds, obviously, but you have all this stuff. Now, you want to go on server.properties and edit with Notepad, or Notepad++, whichever one you prefer. And then it will say, allow nether, that's if you want it, yada yada yada. Now, server port, that's going to be that 25565, or if you know a different server port that you are, that's it. And then server IP, you can find this out on whatsmyip.com, or Hamachi does it actually. This isn't a Hamachi server, but Hamachi is a good way to find your IP. And then that's your IP up there. So then you just want to copy that into there, and then spawn MP, and then basically just change all this stuff. Mine's a survival server, max players. And then once you've done that, just click file, save, and then just run your server and people have to go on it. If you don't enable, this is the whitelist. Just enable that if you're going to have that, and if you're not, just don't worry about it. And then you've got your Bukkit server. See you in the next video.